Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm Nikhil, I'm Men's Image Consultant. Welcome back to another video from Bravo Man. Guys, last video I spoke to you about the different types of kurtas which are a must have because it is a festival season. Diwali है यार, अगर दिवाली में एथनिक नहीं पहना तो कभी पहनोगे? So I spoke to you about different types of kurtas and the 4 to 5 must have kurtas in every man's closet. Now a lot of people liked and loved that videos, and thank you guys for all your support. And a lot of people also asked me that Nikhil, you spoke about kurtas, you spoke about the different types of kurtas, your bottoms, but what about footwear? But guys, I had already covered the must-have footwear, especially for ethnic wear. But I thought, why not make a separate video, because your footwear plays a vital role, and especially when it comes to your ethnic wear, you wear kurtas, you wear churidar, you wear pathanis, and if you do not wear a right matching footwear, trust me, your entire ethnic wear look just goes for a toss. So today's video, I'm gonna share the 3 must-have footwears for your ethnic wear. And guys, these are the simple 3 footwears. Probably a lot of guys must have it, and if not, guys, they might hardly cost you anything, because these are the 3 basic footwear. I do not want you guys to spend a lot on these footwear because it is a seasonal footwear and we don't really wear. I'm gonna share these 3 footwears which apparently you can use it even in your off season. I mean for your daily wear, as well as you can wear these footwear casually. So before I get into the video, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon below so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. And please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. Gentlemen, guys, your support, it really helps me and the channel grow. Please consider following, please consider subscribing, please do share it with your friends and family, guys. It really helps me, and I really put a lot of content which will really educate you guys on men's style, men's grooming and men's fitness. Please do not miss my video, and please always give me a thumbs. So without any further ado, let's get in the video. Guys, in my last video, I spoke to you about the different kurtas which I told you are a must in every man's closet. Were the simple and the basic kurta. Basic style is always a classic style. Likewise, these kurtas have to be worn with a certain set of a footwear. And why footwear is necessary is because footwear is one of the most important accessory in every man's closet. It not only uplifts your entire style, but it also adds a different characteristic to your entire personality, and it gives you a very holistic picture. So these 3 footwears which are a must for your ethnic wear is because a lot of times you have a function, because now we are in a Diwali celebration mood. Every day there might be some particular celebration. It might be a family get together function, or it might be a celebration with your friends. So ethnic wear अगर पहनोगे तो यार footwear भी ऐसा पहनना चाहिए which will match your entire persona and which should uplift your entire ethnic wear. So these 3 footwear are one of the most common footwear, but they will really help you to not just uplift your persona but to also add a style quotient to your ethnic wear. So gentlemen, number 1 on my list is a normal plain black loafers. So guys, why am I saying a black loafer is so versatile is because all the kurtas which I mentioned in my last video, it might be a linen kurta, it might be a plain kurta, it might be funky kurta, or it might be a plain white Lucknowi kurta. All these kurtas, whichever I have mentioned, the only bottom what you wear it is a white pant. And whenever you wear a white pant on a kurta, trust me, the only footwear which you need to have, which you must have, is your black loafers or a brown loafers. Trust me gentlemen, it really looks class apart. These leather loafers, especially your black and brown, will absolutely nail your entire ethnic wear look. So whenever you wear any kurtas with especially your white pants, again I am repeating myself, whenever you wear any kurtas along with your white pants, please always opt for a black loafers or a brown loafers. Number 1, they are super versatile. Number two, even if you want to travel anywhere, I mean, you are very comfortable in your black loafers or your brown loafers. Your loafers are a super comfortable shoes. They are super stylish and they would absolutely add 100% style quotient to your ethnic wear. Trust me, if you want to look sharp, sexy and amazing, please, with kurtas and a pant, a white pant especially, always chuck in your black or brown loafers. And these loafers, guys, I'm sure you might be having one in your closet, so why not wear it? And your loafers are my first choice for your ethnic wear look. So guys, number two on my list is a black pair of Mojri. Now I'm sure you guys have Pathanis. I mean, I don't think so there would be any guy who will miss out on having a Pathani, because Pathani is a must in every man's closet, period. You know, because that gives you a macho look. It's sexy, it is super classy. Now the only footwear which you must wear it on your Pathani is a pair of a black or a brown Mojri. These pair of Mojris, especially your black and your brown pair, are super versatile, and it is a must whenever you wear Pathani. Please always wear it, always pair it with your Mojris. They are merely 500 bucks. You know, if you go online and if you check out the Bata Mojris, I would try to put a link in the description below. If you want to purchase it, you can certainly have it, and they might even go on discounts. So you will get these Mojris for merely 500. But the most important part about these Mojris are they are super versatile. Why? Because even apart from your ethnic wear, you can also pair them with a pair of jeans and a white shirt. They are super classy, they look amazing, and trust me, they look really macho. So these are a must. It's a very minimal investment, but they will last for long and they are a must. So whenever you wear a Pathani, please do not pair it with sandals, do not pair it with floaters or any other footwear. Always wear a Mojri on your Pathanis. And guys, number three on my list, which is again a must have footwear for your ethnic wear, is a pair of sandals, your black sandals or your brown sandals. Now gentlemen, again, I mean, these are very common, especially whenever you wear ethnic wear and whenever you wear chudidar. A sandals is a must, because a chudidar and a kurta looks amazing if you pair them with a nice pair of a slim looking sandals. And these are a no nonsense sandals. You know, there is no much of a funkiness to it, there is no much of a thickness to a sole. They look classy, they look neat, and plus they look sexy. So whenever you wear any kurta and along with a chudidar, always pair it with a good pair of a brown or a black sandals. You know, they are superb. Guys, the reason I told you about these three footwear, because they are versatile. Not only you can wear them on your ethnic wear only, but they can also be paired with your casual wear. So if at all, if you wear a chino shorts or a chinos, even jeans for the matter of fact, you can pair them with a good pair of a sandals. You know, they are super classic, they are super versatile, but make sure that you do not wear any bulgy sandals, because the more slim the profile of a sandal is, the more sexy the sandal will look. And if you really want your footwear to last long, then invest in a good leather footwear. I will always recommend a good leather, because your leather footwear will always last long, and a good quality leather can take amount of beating which your normal leather or your folk leather or your artificial leather will never do it. So these footwear are, again I'm saying, are versatile. You can not only use them for your ethnic wear but also for your casual wear. So talking about the sandals, again, whenever you wear a chudidar, whenever you wear a kurta chudidar or kurta pajama, always pair it with a nice and a clean looking black or a brown sandal. Simple. So guys, these are the three must have footwear to be worn, especially with your ethnic wear, with your kurtas. Trust me, these are the three basic but the classic, and you always know that the classic can never go out of style. You will never ever go wrong with this pairing. So always stick to this 3 and always stick to the 3 pairing which I have told you along with the footwear on which particular bottoms and kurtas this footwear have to be worn. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family. And guys, Diwali hai. Again, wish you all a very happy and a prosperous Diwali to you and your family. Be safe, be amazing. I hope this Diwali gets you joy, happiness to you and your family. So, but please take care of yourself and I would love to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic. Ciao.